So if you want to improve your fluency in English, if you want to add variety to sentence structures, you should understand correlative conjunctions. आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि correlative conjunctions क्या होते हैं, उनको कैसे यूज़ करें और कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट रूल्स भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे. चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. की correlative conjunctions. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that link similar ideas together in a sentence. They come in pairs and they are always used together. Correlative conjunctions हमेशा pairs में यूज़ होते हैं, जोड़े में यूज़ होते हैं और हमेशा एक साथ यूज़ होते हैं. And they link similar ideas. Both and, either or, neither nor, not only but also, whether or, such as, etc. They link similar types of words, phrases and clauses. For example, two nouns, two adjectives, two adverbs, similar types of words. They maintain parallel structure. What do you mean by parallel structure? Let's understand through the example. You are not only hardworking but also has intelligence. This sentence is incorrect. Why? Because as I have told you, they link similar types of words. So here we are joining, because conjunctions are joining words. They are joining the words of same value. So look at this example. You are not only, we have used here not only, okay. Hardworking. Hardworking is adjective, but also is used with verb. So no parallel structure. That's why this is incorrect. Parallel structures के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? हमें दोनों ही adjectives को combine करना है, link करना है. In place of has intelligence, you can write the adjective intelligent. So this is a correct sentence. Use both parts of the pair. You can't use one part only. You have to use both parts of the pair. For example, you can either go to the class. So what is the pair? Either or. But here we have used either. यहाँ पर हमने सिर्फ either use किया है, जबकि pair में ये use होता है either or. तो इसलिए ये incorrect हो गया. इसको correct करने के लिए हमें और भी use करना होगा. You can either go to the class or stay in the library. This is a correct answer because here we have used complete pair. One more rule, place them immediately before the words or phrases to be connected. उन phrases और words के आगे आपने यूज़ करना है correlative conjunctions जिसको आप connect करने जा रहे हैं. जैसे two nouns, two adjectives, two adverbs. For example, he visited Bombay, he visited Goa. Bombay and Goa, two different names. So we have to combine these two names by using correlative conjunctions. तो यहाँ पर हमने दोनों को ज्वाइन करना है. ठीक है. अब हम कौन सा correlative conjunction यूज़ करेंगे? He visited not only Bombay but also Goa. This is correct because here we have joined two nouns together. But if we say he not only visited Bombay but also Goa, this is wrong because not only is used before the verb. और हमें यूज़ किसके पहले करना है? नाउन के पहले करना है बिकॉज यहाँ पर हम दो नाउन्स को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो दिस इज इनकरेक्ट. यूजिंग कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शंस कैन रियली इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश. दे एड क्लैरिटी एंड रिदम टू योर सेंटेंसेज एंड मेक कॉम्प्लेक्स आइडियाज़ ईजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड. ये कंजंक्शंस आपकी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करते हैं, क्लैरिटी लाते हैं सेंटेंस में. फर्स्ट कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन इज बोथ एंड. दिस इज़ अ पेयर. इसका मतलब दिस एंड दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही इज़ हैंडसम, ही इज़ इंटेलिजेंट. वो हैंडसम भी है और इंटेलिजेंट भी है. तो ये हमने बिना कोरिलेटिव कंजंक्शन के पहला सेंटेंस लिखा है. अब हम बोथ और एंड का पेयर यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ही इज़ बोथ हैंडसम एंड इंटेलिजेंट और हमने दो एडजेक्टिव्स को ऐड कर दिया, लिंक कर दिया बाय यूजिंग बोथ एंड. ओके. सो ही इज़ बोथ हैंडसम एंड इंटेलिजेंट. तो यहाँ पर हमने दो एडजेक्टिव्स को लिंक किया है. शी enjoys both watching movies and to visit the mall. Now here we have used the pair, but there is a mistake. This sentence is incorrect. Why? Because here we have written watching and here we have written to visit. Parallel structure. She enjoys both watching movies and visiting the mall. One more example, Ram enjoys reading books. I love reading books. Now the subjects are different. So we are joining here subjects. Both, first is noun and the other one is pronoun. Both Ram and I enjoy reading books. So we have used here plural verb. Next is neither nor. इसका मतलब क्या है? Not this and not that. ना तो ये ना वो. Ram did not sleep. He did not eat for 2 days. So what we are supposed to join or link? हमने क्या लिंक करना है? क्या डिफरेंट है यहाँ पर? यहाँ पर है वर्ब डिफरेंट है, स्लीप और ईट. ओके. राम नाइदर स्लेप्ट नॉर एट. यहाँ पर हमने दो वर्ब के साथ नाइदर नॉर को यूज़ किया है. दो वर्ब्स हमने लिंक किए हैं. राम नाइदर स्लेप्ट नॉर एट फॉर 2 days. ना तो वो सोया ना ही उसने 2 दिन खाना खाया. अब इसी बात को हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं, अगर हम नाइदर नॉर यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं तो हम कैसे इसको बोल सकते हैं? राम डिड नॉट ईट और स्लीप फॉर 2 days. ये सेंटेंस भी करेक्ट है. डिड के साथ, डिड नॉट के साथ हमने और लगाया है, लेकिन नाइदर के साथ हम नॉर लगाएंगे. ये ध्यान रखिए. सब्जेक्ट वर्ब अग्रीमेंट, इसमें जनरली इंग्लिश लर्नर्स वो मिस्टेक करते हैं बिकॉज दे आर कन्फ्यूज्ड whether they should use singular verb or plural verb. For example, neither Mohan nor his friends. We have 2 subjects here joined by neither nor. अब verb क्या है? Verb कैसे यूज़ करना है? Neither Mohan nor his friends is guilty. ये incorrect है. यहाँ पर अगर हमारे सब्जेक्ट एक सिंगुलर है एक प्लूरल है तो जो वर्ब के बहुत नज़दीक है, जैसे यहाँ पर फ्रेंड्स प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है तो हमारा वर्ब भी प्लूरल होगा. अगर ऐसा होता नाइदर हिज फ्रेंड्स नोर मोहन तो मोहन के साथ हम इज लगाते. लेकिन यहाँ पर कौन सा क्लोज है? विच सब्जेक्ट इज क्लोज टू द वर्ब? क्लोजेस्ट टू द वर्ब, दैट इज हिज फ्रेंड्स, यानी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट. सो नाइदर मोहन नॉर हिज फ्रेंड्स आर गिल्टी. दिस इज अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस. Next is either or. Either or expresses choice between the 2 options. 2 options में choice बताता है. I would like to go for a walk. I would like to stay at home. Go for a walk और stay at home को हम either or से लिंक करेंगे. I would like to either go for a walk और stay at home. हमने verb से पहले लगाना है क्योंकि हम verb को join कर रहे हैं, तो either go और stay. ओके, दोनों verbs हमने लिंक किए हैं. Subject verb agreement again. Ram is lying, his friends are lying. Either Ram or his friends are lying. तो यहाँ पर राम सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है और his friends plural. So the subject which is closest to the verb, we will choose the verb accordingly. So here friends plural subject, so the verb also will be plural. Not only but also, highlighting 2 related ideas. 2 related ideas, okay, TWO2. 2 related ideas. He is a great chef. He is also a talented singer. He is not only a great chef but also a talented singer. You will learn about certain pairs of conjunctions which are often misused. Neither nor, hardly or scarcely when, no sooner than. They are used in pairs, so remember this, learn them. And not only but also. So they are also known as negative words. If a sentence begins with any one of the negative words like neither, hardly, scarcely, no sooner, not only, then what should be the word order? The word order should be inverted. Inverted means after neither, after hardly, after scarcely, after no sooner or not only, we should use a helping verb, then subject and then main verb. That is the correct word order. And we often make mistakes in the word order. That's why the sentence is wrong. So what is the correct word order? Neither does she learn nor does she write. This is the correct order. Because after neither, we have used helping verb before the subject. More examples. Hardly or scarcely when. That is the pair used. Hardly, scarcely did I reach my office, then the meeting started. This sentence is incorrect. two mistakes. What are those two mistakes? First is did and the second is then. We write when, not then. So what should be written here? When. And why? What is the error? We have used here helping verb. So what is the mistake? Because the main verb is reached and we use only first form. So remember this. So what should be the correct sentence? Let's see. Hardly or scarcely had I reached. In place of did, we have to use had. Had I reached my office when the meeting started. And when we will use did? When there is first form of the verb, main verb. Let's see more examples. Not only but also. Again, not only I helped my friend, also dropped her office on time. This is also incorrect. Okay. So the mistake is again in the word order and the pair is also not used correctly, but also should be used. So let's see the correct sentence. Not only did I help my friend, but also dropped her office on time. This is the correct one. Because we have used here helping verb and we have used the pair correctly. Next negative word, no sooner than. Okay. No sooner I had closed my eyes when I heard a loud noise. So two errors are here in the word order and the pair also, pair word. So what is the pair word used here? Than, not when. So here we should use than. But what is the word order? We have to use helping verb. So no sooner had I. Okay. Had I closed my eyes then I heard a loud noise. This is the correct sentence. Let's see the correct sentence. No sooner had I closed my eyes than I heard a loud noise. This is the correct one. So we have used the inverted word order and also we have used here than because no sooner than pair is used. One more example. No sooner the police arrived than the crowd began to rush. This is also incorrect. Why it is incorrect? Because again the word order is wrong. So what is the correct word order? Here we have used did. In place of had we have used. Why? Because arrive is the first form. When the main verb is in the first form, then we use did. When the main verb is in the third form, then we use had. Remember. So both can be correct. You have to see the sentence. So no sooner did the police arrive than the crowd began to rush. Whether or. This pair is used. I wondered that the teacher will approve my project or not. मैं डर रहा है कि टीचर मेरे प्रोजेक्ट को अप्रूव करेगा या नहीं करेगा. I wonder. So here doubt, uncertainty is there. So that is wrong. What should be used here? Whether. I wonder whether the teacher will approve my project or not. Because with or the pair is whether or, not that or. Okay, remember this. Lest, should. When we use lest, it should be followed by should. I asked my friend to run fast lest she would miss the bus. कहीं bus miss ना हो जाए. In that sense. So would is used here. That is wrong. What is the correct? She should miss the bus. I asked my friend to run fast lest she should miss the bus. But we use would or may with else. Would or may is used with else. Reach school on time else you should miss the exam. So should is wrong here. With else we use would. So we have used here would. Reach school on time else you would miss the exam. Rather is followed by than. Remember, rather is followed by than. She would rather study at home instead of or than going to movie. Than going to movie. More pairs. Same, that, such as, such that. Okay. Where we use he is the same man who murdered the woman. But same is used with that, not who. So here that is correct. She is such a great actress as or that everyone should watch a movie. She is such a great actress. So such or as, not that. We also use such or that. When? In what case? The extent of the earthquake was such as that the rescue team was unable to cope. So what was the result of the earthquake? When the earthquake happened or occurred, it was so severe that the rescue team was not able to cope up with, not able to provide help to the victims. So when we mention the result after emphasizing the degrees of something, so here we want to say the earthquake was very severe. That's why it was such that. Now here that is correct, not as, because here the rescue team was unable to cope because of the intensity of the earthquake. Again, we use the pair as or so as. Where to use as in affirmative sentence and so as in negative sentence. Remember this. She is so intelligent as her father. It's not negative, so this is wrong. And what is the correct one? She is as intelligent as her father. She is not as fat as her sister. This is a negative sentence. We can't use as, so this is wrong. We'll be using she is not so fat as her sister. Next pair is though, yet, other than, both and. They are used together. Remember this. Though he is poor, but or yet he is happy. Two contrasting things. वो गरीब है लेकिन खुश है, तो यहाँ but नहीं यूज होगा. We'll be using yet. दो और yet का pair होता है. और sometimes we don't write yet, we put comma only. The meaning is understood. He has no other reason but or than his ill health. So with other we use than, not but. In English we just use one conjunction to join two phrases, two clauses, two words. Double conjunctions are not used. Because he is sincere in his efforts, so he will succeed in his mission. So or because, double conjunction, so we can't use. This is wrong. How can we say the same sentence? Because he is sincere in his efforts, he will succeed in his mission. He is sincere in his efforts, so he will succeed in his mission. We can also write the same sentence in this way also. Though he is weak, still he can climb the tree. We can't use still because though, yet, or we can also put comma in place of yet. Though he is weak, he can climb the tree. As he is fat, so he can't dance. As he is fat, he can't. Again, double conjunctions can't be used. So this is wrong. Correct sentence is as he is fat, he can't dance. He is fat, so he can't dance. In that sense, we can use so. So both the sentences are correct. Thanks for watching the video. Today we learned about correlative conjunctions and how they can improve sentence structure. Keep these rules in mind and soon you will be using them like a pro. Happy practicing.